Nice cookie.
It's just getting it in the kids' heads that
Broccoli's fun with your carrot and
We're having a good time. So what are we doing, Brighton?
shopping at IKEA.
Shopping at IKEA.
Or window shopping at IKEA. We have to show how you
Going
can buy
gangster
it all
style.
with any ethnicity.
Gangster style.
But you can only buy the white ones. Look, this one's in the bag. And he has a ducky. And his pants are pulled down.
That's great. All right.
Oh my gosh. Never ending
I've
broccoli.
only heard bad things about this store.
Really? I've only heard good things.
I don't understand why.
Get a basket of vegetables to play with. Hold on.
Basket of vegetables. Why don't we get to
They're
eat them?
learning to love their vegetables.
That's a good thing. This is a good store.
Evan's opinion has changed.
You can also get ice cream.
No, I never
Ice cream.
did like it. I just
And you can buy what is that? Baby.
buy a baby on a moose.
A baby on a moose. Eating a cookie with his blankie. A moose with a nose ring.
Your vegetables and get big.
So nice.
That is the message we're going with. Mommy. What?
Hey, Maylee, let me see.
Love it.
What's the
Wait.
thing hanging there?
It's a ponytail?
I think this is a head.
Chin strap.
Can you explain this hat to me?
Somebody can explain it, right?
Yeah, I really think it's this lovely flower hat that's velcroed. So you have a strap so it doesn't blow off in the wind because that's important.
No one even tells you. This encourages.
It's got a nice little flower on top.
Is it pretty?
It's gorgeous. He's still for sale.
No one's bought it yet.
Nobody's bought him yet. Would you like to buy a baby on a moose?
Sure.
With a cookie and a blankie?
Yes. Don't tempt them.
Yeah.
Sorry,
Okay, yeah. No problem.
Thank you so much.
Take the child off, Brighton.
Dude.
He's not for sale anymore. We were trying to sell him, but
You can't ride the moose.
he does.
Comes with the set.
Very expensive. but-
I'm sure.
Priceless.
So cute.
Priceless.
Thank you.
Where's she went?
Are you Maylee?
Nope. She's gone.
Are you Maylee? Are you Maylee? What?
They're about to close?
They said they're only open for 15 more minutes. Oh no! Okay, we got a speed walk.
We've
Uh
only gone 15 feet.
oh. 15 feet from the food court.
Don't you want to be like? I don't know. I feel like okay.
No, because then it puts the angel above you.
The angel above us.
But that kind of screws up the lighting.
Okay, then go back to where you were. We can rotate
You're more
around.
crisp
Yes.
when you get them right between the
Is
two
this
lights,
good?
don't you think?
Wait, I feel like
Well,
that's
it
not
doesn't look
right
at me
either.
though. Like I'm not getting bright lights. See?
Can
I'm
you
not
see
getting
us,
those.
Mike, in the
No,
video?
I'm not either. Like, I think this is a good spot.
Mike,
Yeah.
can you even see us?
Yeah.
In the video? Okay. Okay. Are we ready? Okay. Are we gonna count it? Are you guys ready?
Yeah, you count.
Okay. Ready? 1, 2, 3, jump.
Oh.
Okay, let me back
Do
up.
that again.
Do it
This one
again.
takes it immediately.
Okay. Ready? I love you. Okay. 1, 2, 3, jump.
Oh, I missed the button. What? I hit it. Why didn't it take it immediately?
I got you.